In this video, we will discuss the Excel Developer tab. The Developer tab is used for VBA. If you have to write a VBA code or if you have to record a macro, you will need the VBA tab. The Developer tab is not a standard tab within Excel, so you would need to add that tab. And in this video, we will show you how to add that tab. So you will go to your Excel options, customize ribbon, and the developer tab, you would just have to check. Hit OK, and here's your developer tab. And that will allow you to record your macros here, get to your VBA codes here. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment.